Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Drape Desi Clothes with Rani. I'm Rani from the Netherlands. Hopefully all of you are doing well. I'm also doing very well. And now here is summer and sunny day. I'm more good because I don't like, cold and I love rain, but here rain is different, not our Desi rain. Okay. Today I'm showing you this is a kurta. You can call kurta top or dress, whatever you want, you can call it. I made myself from one of my old dupatta. I have a lots of dupatta kept in my almari, and that's why I thought, why not I can make an idea. I can make for myself, for my daughters also. I have two daughters and they are grown up now. That's why I thought I can make a top or dress from the old dupatta because I don't want to waste it. I made for my daughters and myself also some kurti like this. This is a very useful for summertime because dupattas always very thin material. Sometimes it's silk, sometimes cotton, and this is a silk, and this is very comfortable cloth. This is from 20 years back. I made that time a salwar suit, and this was the dupatta. Almost maybe very less I use it. That's why this is a very good still now. And other also I made from dupatta for my daughters. I will show you. Look how comfortable this is. This is a recycling system. If you want, you can recycle your old clothes. I hope you will like it because I don't want to waste anything. I always try to recycle from my old things, cloth and anything else. You can also do. For making this type of kurti, you no need to go to the tailor. You can do it yourself. I am not a tailor, but everybody, every woman, I think, we can do this type of stitching. We can do ourselves. I have a sewing machine. I got my daughters because they gifted me, because they always say me I'm doing my hand. That's why, but this is a very simple one, and I'm never learned how to sewing. I think you can also try. And other hand, you can see YouTube how to stitch with the sewing machine and সেলাই কি করে করতে হয় তুমি দেখতে পারো। একটা ওল্ড কুর্তির উপরে কাপড়ের উপরে ফেলে কেটে এটা করা যায়, আমিও যেটা ওইরকমই করি। You can use it like this shorts or legging. And I know all of you, all women in the world, they have some things like me. You can make if you want. I thought my idea, you will like it. And if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. And I will come back with the new ideas and new draping videos. Thank you.